What the fuck? Look at this. This bitch fell.
Look, there was somebody living in there. I guarantee it, bro. Right there.
Sure. Wait, how the fuck is this bitch not falling? It didn't grow out like that, did it? It's ready to fall. I'd walk under it, hopefully it don't fall.
I think it's stuck up on. I think this is long. I think this is long. I think this branch right here is longer. Look at how long that branch is, bro.
Bro, just because of that though?
Yeah, bro.
If something cracks that shit falling, right?
Hell yeah. Literally, it's gonna fall.
Just from that one, because that big ass truck's not holding it, nothing else. It's just second piece, that one up there.
That one piece right there. It's gonna fall, yeah, it's gonna fall if they break it.
Good lord.
Get the little seco away. Put your hand.